Greetings to everyone. Once again, we want to ask the question. We have seen between witness A and General Shibiri, Julius Malema name be mentioned. And when we go out and established, we found the version that included the recording in the conversation between witness A and General Shibiri. And then we have General Shibiri himself justifying why he mentioned Julius Malema name. And then he said it was just like any other South African person that wanted his case to be dealt with. And then Shadrach, General Shibiri did specifically mention which case did General Sibia bring to him that he General Sibia said come from Julius Malema. As if that was not enough, now we have Sergeant Nkosi, who is called, we will normally know him as the Mr. Woolworthsburg, coming up and saving the telephone number of Zingumalo as Senzile EFF. Now we see EFF coming up all over again on the spectrum. Once again, why is he saving EFF, saving Zingumalo as Senzile EFF? And we have heard in a letter read by Commissioner Madlanga himself, the chairperson, where he talked about Sergeant Nkosi's fear of coming to openly testify, mentioning several of ANC people, parliament, and wherever. But he never mentioned any fear against EFF or even in testimony mentioning EFF. What is it about EFF? Is EFF gaining the popularity? Let us go and hear in my account at Ramasen. What do I say or think about EFF now and then be mentioned in the Madlanga Commission? Thanks for watching the video.